Buenos dias. We are going out on a big yacht today. 72 foot. Babe, how big is the boat we're going out on? 72?
That's a good question.
72 feet?
72 is the number that came to my brain.
Yeah. 72 feet.
And it fits 80 people?
Fits 80 people? Should be fun. God, I love these trees. What's that?
Until somebody gets seasick.
Until somebody gets seasick.
Because they stayed up until 3 a.m.
Yeah, well, we're gonna see who stayed up late last night and feels like crap this morning, so. And then we'll definitely find out once they get seasick.
Good news is, it won't be us.
It's not us. We got all the snorkel gear ready to go, so we're just gonna be in the water the entire time. It is definitely muggy out already this morning. Clear blue skies. Okay, let's get some breakfast and then we'll go to the bus. Then we'll head to the pier, then we'll get on the boat. And then we go snorkel. All right, let's go to the boat. Hi, Big Shoots. Hi, Big Shoots.
Hi, Big Shoots.
Big Shoots. Little shootsy wootsy. Balls and wieners. No balls and wieners today. That was funny.
That's amazing. Full show.
So did you zoom in on the wiener? Did you zoom in on the monkey?
The balls that were flopping in your face.
Floppity flop flop.
We got sis anyway. Videotape?
Go time.
It's
Backpack's
go time.
full of gear.
Manny's running late.
What?
Weird.
Hola.
Going?
Good.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, handsome.
Hey.
We have up to 16 different types of drinks that we can do for you. Mexican mimosa, chimichanga, chupacabra, charro negro, spring mushroom, blue moon, blue lagoons, and the slow down. And our Mexican famous chiricuas, okay? Mexican mimosa, chimichanga, chupacabra. We're on the pier, getting ready to get on the yacht. Tell me whenever you want the food ready. As soon as it's gonna be fun. Perfect. Yeah, that's where we're going.
Suck it up, everybody. Now bark over the side, get it out.
Chum it up for the sharks. 45 minutes to get ready. I'm ready. You ready? You ready?
With the camera?
Fuck yeah. Don't drink. Oh, gracias, amigo. Gracias. I have water. I'm good. I got my water with me. Appreciate that. Okay, we're out here. We're out on the yacht. We got everybody for the wedding party. You might not be able to hear me because of the music. We got catamarans and boats, and we're on a 72-foot yacht. And we're out here living life. This is how it should be. Oh, you guys got a water slide. That's awesome, they got a water slide. Jump in. Come on. Got it. There you go.
How high is it?
It's not that high. It's not that high. Come on. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! There we go! Yeah, do it and jump out farther. Yeah, it's good. Right? Babe, jump out. Woo! There you go! Come on! Woo! Even listen to the scream.
Did my boat come out?
This is awesome. Hey, jump farther. Yeah, come farther out. Woo!
Yeah.
Woo! There you go. We're out here in Riviera de Maya, Mexico. We got more people jumping.
I was like, I feel like
Yeah, boss. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir!
Woo! Woo! Oh. All right, let's see what the bride's got. Woo! There you go.
yeah! You see me out here.
Now. Yes, sir. Woo! Oh! Woo!
Oh, it definitely hurt my ass.
Got it. Woo! There you go.
That was awesome. Thank you guys. Go, girl, go.
Woo!
Ned, you did that shit.
There you go.
Good job, mommy.
Woo! Got it.
You got this, let's go. Jump, jump, go!
Ooh! Yes, sir! Okay.
Very, very classy. Very classy face.
She just keeps running circles after the first one. She's just literally running like a kid in a water park.
I'm going again.
Oh, my eyes right now. Knew that was coming. There it is. There it is. Hi, right here. Wallet, cell phone. Here we go. Yes!
Running and diving.
I'm coming up there right now.
Yeah, we're gonna jump together. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And a girl, Mandy. Good? See. 1, 2, 3. Take him off. Oh.
Are you going pro in?
Oh, yeah.
My brother-in-law. Right? Yeah, my brother-in-law, right?
Oh, yeah.
Tomorrow you will be.
Tomorrow you will be.
Yeah, tomorrow I
Come on,
will
boys. We're here.
See.
1, 2, 3, Corey. It's amazing. The water's killer. It's tropical. We're really good. Everybody out here is having a blast. We got all these other boats in the area that are jumping off the thing too. That other cat's got a slide. Couldn't ask for a better bluebird day out here in Mexico. Perfect. Family, friends, everybody. It's what we want. It's how we roll. So we're going to be putting out some more videos like this. We got some more travel stuff coming up here. So yeah, stay tuned.
See you guys up front for a group photo. Group photo, everybody. We have 30 seconds.
30. We're making love twice. 29.
Wait, everyone on the right.
Everybody ready?
Count of 3, everybody say chimichanga. 1, 2, 3. Chimichanga. 301. Tequila. Very complicated. Right now.
We love you!
barely
Is he
burning.
sleeping?
Is that?
Is Corey sleeping? Is he
Yeah,
already-
No,
yeah,
he's
he's
actually
coming.
Oh, he's
Tactic.
tap.
Oh my knee.
Nap
Oh my
time.
knee. Oh my knee.
Knees hurting. Nap time.
Oh shit.
Bye, Jason.
You'll find.
Hi.
Hey, Marco. How are you? We were out on a boat, playa Carmen on a big yacht. Okay. Doing a big tour around. That was good. Yeah, it was good. And then the other day with Alberto, we went up Puerto Morales.
Okay.
He took us up there.
No,
with us, and we actually did one tank diving. Yeah, we did the one tank. And went out
It was amazing.
It was unbelievable.
Oh my god, obsessed.
Unreal.
Like, we got out of the water, we're like, how do we sign up?
Yeah, it was unreal. It was so good.
Ice cream. Hey, nice to meet you, man. Marco, is the ice cream right in here?
It's right there. Yes. Right on the other side of the gin bar.
Oh, do you want ice cream? Let's go get ice
Go
cream.
for it. Okay. Yeah. We'll talk to you later.
At the Yacht.
I had one taco.
I did not eat them this way.
What's he doing in there?
He fluffed me and he's so upset about it.
Fluffernutter.
You guys are doing like cappuccinos? We are
Ice cream. Keep feeding me the ice cream. Keep moving ahead over.
Gonna take you to ice cream. Luis. Hold on, we go. ¿Cómo está usted? Oh, gracias, señor.
Is it close?
Don't think so. No, welcome. Please come in.
Oh, sweet. Yay!
Stay out of the sun for the rest of the day.
Oh my god.
Tomorrow wearing clothing is gonna suck. I will take a chocolate too. Sure.
Gracias.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. That hits the spot after a day on the water. That's a great way to end it. And we're gonna go for a nap. We'll see you guys in a bit. You.